Hello guys, welcome back with another show from Crypto Market 360. In this video, I'm going to introduce a crypto mining app called Gari, from where you can earn cryptocurrency free, which is a Gari token. So first of all, you have to install Gari app from Google Play Store. If you type Gari, you will see this app, and you can see that Salman Khan is the ambassador of this app, official ambassador. And this app has almost 50 million plus downloads only in Play Store, and rating is also good. Okay, so first part is done. Now we have to install another app called Truecaller. So first of all, install this app Truecaller and connect this Truecaller app with your mobile number. So this app is needed so that your mobile number gets verified auto. So right now I'm going to click open the Gari app. As you can see that I have entered into Gari app. You have to click on the wallet button and you will see that I have use this number. To get started, please verify your mobile number. So mobile number is needed to go forward. It needs to be verified. I can click on use another method. So if you are not, normally many people have complained that they only see two options: continue with Google and continue with phone. Currently we can't sign up with phone because OTP code is not coming. So once should be a OTP code comes to the phone number. So phone number doesn't get verified right now. So that's why you can't click continue with phone. But if you continue with Truecaller, your mobile number gets verified auto. So that's why I recommend you to use Truecaller. And also if you click you can sign up with your Gmail account, continue with Google. But if you do that, once you complete the KYC, you need to verify your phone first, then you can proceed to KYC. And KYC is required to withdraw your balance, your account balance. Without KYC and booster badge, you can't withdraw your funds. I will talk about booster badge later. But mobile number verification is needed to when you want to withdraw this app. But currently you can also continue with Google because team said that they will come up with a solution from where people can verify their phone number. So those who have already created account using continue with Google and they haven't verified their mobile number, they don't need to worry because it will be solved by the team. So I am clicking on continue with Truecaller, and as you can see my number will be verified auto as instant verification by Truecaller. So click on and you can see that it's now verified, and I have come to my account, and you can see my KYC is verified. And to withdraw the fund, you need to verify your KYC, and also you need Gari mining badges. I will talk about later Gari mining badges. Alright, when you sign up when you first enter into account, you have to set your PIN code, you have to set your security question, and make sure you don't forget the security question and PIN code, so that these are also required to when you want to do a transaction. Okay, so in order to start Gari mining, you need to activate code. You need activation code. So I will provide activation code in description and comment box, so please check it out. There will be only 5, so only 5 people can enter per daily. So right now to know more about this mining program, you click on FAQ, and FAQ you can see what is Gari mining, frequently asked questions. I have downloaded the Gari app just now, what to do, and you can see there are a lot of questions and answers. You need to understand this. So there are I will talk about badge later. And you can see if you are a user, you should spend time on app, you should watch video, like video, follow, number of comments, video watch time, users referred, audio total. So these are the activities you can perform to income. So right now all these things are not available yet because it's still at early stage. And if you are video creator, if your videos get views, likes, and followers, comments, you will get earn. Okay, and you can see more information about NFT badges. Okay, so here is the my activities. You can see login history and likes received. I am making some videos. I received 2000 likes, comment 30, follow received, and I have to complete this task: video watch, like, share. I need to do this. Okay, and you need a mining activation code for to start mining. So here are the things, here are the codes that you can use to start your mining. And every day, as a badge holder, every day you get 5 codes and you can refer 5 people. So you have to click on the home page and you can see I am giving likes, I am giving comments. I just give comment, and I can also share to any platform. So you can share in any platform you want, right? Okay, I will share later. So these are the things you have to do as a user, and as a creator you have to create your own video. So thank you guys. If you want to know anything, let me know in comment.